pick us up, put us over the water there for an approach on runway 25, which is the cross runway. He'll go and land in the helicopter area, touchdown, car 1 with Nigel will pick him up. Then they'll come over and we'll follow them up to International Flight 12. We'll park there, shut the aeroplane down, we'll get out with some kind of call.
Sydney Tower, good morning, Southern Cross. It's been about 98 years since we've been here, but we're on the final, 3-mile final, runway 25.
Southern Cross and Company, Sydney Tower, good morning, doing a good job so far. Continue approach, runway 25.
Continue approach, thanks for your confidence, Southern Cross.
Southern Cross, runway 25, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 25, Southern Cross, thank you.
Car 1 and Company and taxi via Juliet, via Delta, hold short of runway 25.
By Delta and hold short runway 25, Car 1 and Company.
Car 1 and Company, turn left onto runway 25, hold short of Charlie.
Enter runway 25, then hold short taxi Charlie, Car 1 and Company.
Our flight this morning is a timely reminder of the extraordinary achievements of Charles Ulm, Charles Kingsford-Smith, Hubert Wilkins, Bill Taylor, Dick Smith, and many other Australians in the field of aviation over the past century. For those of us connected to these pioneers of Australian aviation, it brings a real sense of pride and remembrance. We hope the Southern Cross's return to the air keeps the spirit of those early aviators alive for generations to come. Thank you.